The Value King is on its way, and you need to hold on, because there are 6 reasons to wait for the incredible 2026 Buick Envista. This segment might be all about practicality and efficiency, but this crossover spices everything up with style and luxury, making it an easy choice. Stay with us because the countdown begins right now. Number 6. Low on price but high on style. The 2026 Buick Envista is going to represent one of the most affordable entry points into General Motors' entire lineup, yet it refuses to look like a budget vehicle. Starting at around $25,000, this subcompact crossover is positioning itself as a serious contender in a segment where style often takes a backseat to cost-cutting measures. What makes the Envista particularly striking is its fastback profile that breaks away from the traditional boxy SUV design. The sleek roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, creating a coupe-like silhouette that's more reminiscent of premium European crossovers than entry-level American offerings. The front fascia features Buick's signature tri-shield grille, flanked by LED headlights that give the vehicle a sophisticated appearance that belies its affordable price point. The body lines are crisp and well-defined, with sculpted sides that create visual interest without resorting to unnecessary plastic cladding. The wheel arches are perfectly proportioned, and even the base model comes with attractive 17-inch alloy wheels that look far more expensive than they actually are. For 2026, Buick is introducing a stunning new brilliant red exterior color option, available on both the Preferred and Sport touring trims, adding another layer of visual appeal to an already attractive package. Unlike many competitors that rely on aggressive styling to mask cheap construction, the Envista achieves its visual impact through clean, elegant design language. The rear features wraparound taillights that extend the visual width of the vehicle, while subtle chrome accents add just enough sparkle without appearing gaudy. This is a vehicle that's going to look equally at home in a suburban driveway or a downtown parking garage. Number 5. Efficient powertrain. While the 2026 Envista won't be setting any land speed records, it's going to excel in the area that matters most to budget-conscious buyers: fuel efficiency. The heart of this efficiency is a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine that produces 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque. The EPA is rating the 2026 model at an impressive 28 miles per gallon city and 32 miles per gallon highway, with a combined rating of 30 miles per gallon. In real-world testing, the Envista has consistently delivered on these promises, with highway cruising easily achieving the rated 32 miles per gallon figure. For drivers with long commutes or those simply looking to minimize their fuel expenses, these numbers translate to significant savings at the pump. What sets the Envista apart from many competitors is its use of a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission rather than a continuously variable transmission. This choice not only provides a more engaging driving experience but also contributes to the vehicle's reliability and long-term durability. The turbocharger provides adequate low-end torque for city driving, making the Envista feel more responsive than its modest horsepower figure might suggest. With a fuel tank capacity of approximately 13 gallons, the Envista is capable of achieving a driving range of over 400 miles on a single fill-up. Number 4. Quiet and comfortable interior. The 2026 Envista is going to surprise buyers with its interior refinement, offering a level of comfort and quietness that typically requires spending significantly more money. Despite its subcompact classification, the Envista provides genuinely usable space for 4 adults, with the rear seats accommodating passengers up to 6 feet tall without major complaints. Buick has invested heavily in sound insulation technology, including an acoustic windshield and active noise cancellation system. These features work together to create a cabin environment that's noticeably quieter than competitors like the Nissan Kicks or Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. The 3-cylinder engine, which could potentially be a source of unwanted noise and vibration, is well isolated from the passenger compartment. The seating surfaces feature a combination of cloth and synthetic leather, depending on the trim level, with the Sport Touring adding attractive blue stitching that elevates the interior's visual appeal. The front seats provide good support for both short trips and longer journeys, with the driver's seat offering 8-way power adjustment on the top Avenir trim. Interior materials represent a significant step up from what buyers might expect at this price point. Hard plastics are strategically placed in areas where they're less noticeable, while frequently touched surfaces feature soft touch materials that feel more premium. The dashboard design is clean and uncluttered, with a large glass panel housing both the digital gauge cluster and the central infotainment screen. Number 3. Intuitive infotainment system. The 2026 Envista is going to feature one of the most user-friendly infotainment systems in its class, built around an 11-inch touchscreen that comes standard across all trim levels. This is the same size screen that many competitors reserve for their top-tier models, making the Envista's standard equipment particularly impressive. The system runs Buick's latest software, which has been significantly refined compared to previous generations. Navigation through the menus is intuitive and logical, with large, clearly labeled icons that make finding specific functions quick and easy. Response time is notably improved, improved, with minimal lag when switching between different applications or adjusting settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while the system also includes an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, making it possible for passengers to stay connected even in areas with poor cellular coverage. Multiple USB ports throughout the cabin ensure that all passengers can keep their devices charged. The digital instrument cluster measures 8 inches and can be customized to display different information based on driver preferences. Key vehicle information is presented clearly, with easy-to-read fonts and logical organization that doesn't require taking attention away from the road for extended periods. Voice recognition technology has been improved, allowing drivers to control many functions without taking their hands off the steering wheel. The system can understand natural speech patterns, making it more user-friendly than systems that require specific command structures. Number 2. Long list of standard safety features. The 2026 Envista is going to come equipped with an impressive array of safety and driver assistance technologies, many of which are typically optional on competitors or reserved for higher trim levels. Buick's commitment to safety is evident in the comprehensive list of standard features that come with every Envista, regardless of price point. Forward automatic emergency braking comes standard, using radar and camera technology to detect potential collisions and apply the brakes if the driver doesn't respond in time. The system includes pedestrian detection, providing an additional layer of protection in urban environments where foot traffic is common. Lane departure warning and lane keep assist work together to help prevent unintentional lane changes, while forward collision warning provides audible and visual alerts when the system detects a potential impact situation. A rear view camera is standard, with dynamic guidelines that adjust based on steering input to make parking and backing up safer and easier. The Envista includes several unique safety features, such as buckle-to-drive technology that prevents the vehicle from shifting out of park until the driver's seatbelt is fastened. Rear seat alert reminds drivers to check the back seats before exiting the vehicle, helping prevent tragic incidents involving children or pets left behind. Teen driver technology allows parents to set speed and audio volume limits for secondary drivers, while also providing a report card of driving behaviors. Available options include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, allowing buyers to add even more advanced safety technology if desired. Number 1. Competitive pricing, excellent value. The 2026 Buick Envista is going to deliver exceptional value that's becoming increasingly rare in today's automotive marketplace. Starting at around $25,000 for the base preferred trim, the Envista undercuts many competitors while offering a more comprehensive equipment list and superior build quality. What makes the Envista's value proposition particularly compelling is everything that comes standard. The base preferred trim includes the 11-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, automatic climate control, and the comprehensive safety package we just discussed. Many competitors charge extra for these features or only offer them on higher trim levels. The Sport Touring trim, priced at around $27,000, adds synthetic leather upholstery, larger wheels, and additional styling enhancements. The range-topping Avenir at $30,000 brings features typically found on much more expensive vehicles, including heated seats, a power liftgate, and premium wheel designs. Even at the Avenir level, the Envista costs thousands less than similarly equipped competitors. The Mazda CX-30, for example, quickly approaches $35,000 when equipped with comparable features, while the Hyundai Kona reaches similar pricing despite offering less interior space and a less refined driving experience. The Envista's 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty provide peace of mind, while Buick's reputation for reliability means lower long-term ownership costs. Maintenance requirements are straightforward, with service intervals designed to minimize the total cost of ownership. For buyers seeking maximum value without sacrificing quality or features, the 2026 Buick Envista represents one of the best opportunities in the current automotive market. It's a vehicle that proves affordable doesn't have to mean compromise, delivering a premium experience at a decidedly non-premium price point. The 2026 Buick Envista isn't just another budget crossover. It's a carefully engineered vehicle that challenges the notion that you need to spend a fortune to get quality, style, and advanced features. In a market where prices continue to climb, Buick has created something genuinely special that's going to make other manufacturers take notice. But the Envista isn't the only model in the class that delivers way more than you'd expect from a subcompact crossover. Check out this video about the new 2026 Subaru Crosstrek, which you can now see on the screen. It may not be as refined as Buick, but it outperforms everything in the class when it comes to all-wheel drive performance, off-road capabilities, and overall versatility.